Hello, this is Samin Yasar, and with me I have Arjun Kaur. Arjun Kaur. Arjun is a singer-songwriter, and Amin is a composer, a guitarist and composer. So আমরা দুজন মিলে হচ্ছে গিয়ে একটা ওয়ার্কশপ অ্যারেঞ্জ করতে যাচ্ছি। It's called Float Around. Songwriting and approaches to songwriting and composition. So আমরা এটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে বস করতেছি on the rooftop of Brotherhood Initiatives. So basically, we're going to share our experiences and how we approach songwriting and composing. We will also be having a free-flowing discussion.
Flowing discussion with participants among maybe we'll try to create something out of it. Maybe
Who knows? It's floating around. It's going to be on the 13th of this month. Hopefully, we have very limited seats. আমাদের হয়তো 30 থেকে 35 জন accommodate করতে পারবো. Let's see how this goes. Sign up. Let's meet up. Let's talk about music and composition.
সব হারা যত